How to remove bad videos on Facebook feed. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove bad videos on Facebook feed. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you're on your Facebook, you will need to head over to your menu. It's on the bottom right corner. After you head over to your menu section, head over to settings, that is on the top right corner. It's a gear icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will now be on your settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find preferences section. Under preferences, tap on content preferences. After you tap on it, now you will be able to manage your contents that get displayed on your Facebook feed. So tap on manage defaults. And after you tap on manage defaults, you need to just tap on sensitive content. After you tap on it, tap on show less. Now you may not see this content at all that it says there on the description, and that's basically what we want. Now tap on the save button on the bottom and tap on OK. After doing that, now your bad videos on Facebook feed will get removed, and that's all for today's video. So watching guys, stay tuned for more and bye bye.